So I'm over here on my Facebook profile, and I was just sharing this, which I'm about to share with you shortly, about this amazing platform that if you are someone who are involved in an MLM company, or if you're doing any type of affiliate marketing, or if you are just someone who are looking to have someone take a look at your offer, then you are in the right place. Now, for those of you who know anything about traffic, one of the best traffic sources out there, in my opinion, is Google traffic. The reason why most people don't have success with Google traffic is, one, it is expensive, and two, Google is very strict. It's a platform that you can actually wake up tomorrow morning and your account could be banned. So for that reason, a lot of marketers actually stay away from Google. But in this case, I'm actually going to share with you how you can go ahead and get yourself Google traffic for pennies on the dollar. All right. So first of all, hi, I'm Al. And in this video, I'm actually going to share with you how you can go ahead and get at least 7 to 10 people taking a look at your offer every month. All right. This is almost guaranteed based on how this platform is all set up. All right. So the purpose of this video is to explain to you what this platform is all about. So now here's how this works. Okay. So this company, what they will actually do is they will run some ads on Google, and those ads are targeted specifically to people who are looking for a home-based business. So let me break this down for you. So someone's going to come on Google and they will type in something like how to work from home, or how to make money from home, how to make money online. And once they click on that ad, your link will show up. So your offer is going to show up right in front of that person right when they're on Google. Now, the way how this platform is set up is that once they fill out that form, that individual will be asking for your permission. They'll be asking you watching this video to give them a call. So this is powerful, guys. This is not your typical solo ads where you send clicks to your landing page, people enter the email, and then they don't even respond to your emails. This is not the case. You're having a live lead. Most times, these people are actually still on Google. So the reason why this is so powerful is that you can actually call that prospect whilst they're in that phase of searching to find out how to make money from home. So again, this is how this platform works. Now, to sign up, all you have to do, there's going to be a link below this video. Once you click on that link, guys, you will be taken to a page that looks exactly like this. Now, once you're in this page, you can watch the video, but I want you to scroll down right over here, and you want to click on this button right over here, guys, where it says get started. Now, don't you worry about that price you're seeing right now, because once you click and go through this link, you'll actually have a 7-day free trial. All right, guys. So again, you want to click on this button where it says get started. Once you click on that button, guys, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Once you're in this page, all you have to do is click right over here on the green button where it says checkout. Once you click on that page, guys, you'll be therefore taken to a page that now looks like this, where you'll be able to sign up for the platform. Once you fill this out, your credit card information, guys, click on submit order, and you are going to receive, you're going to land on this page right over here that says thank you, and you can actually join the group. You will also receive yourself an email. Now, this email, guys, is going to say Freedom Finder Software. Let's get started. Now, you want to click on this link right over here, guys. This second link right over here, so you'll be able to go ahead and sign up for the software. Now, once you have access to the software, guys, your back office is going to look something like this. Now, I'm not exactly sure when you're watching this video, so it might be a little bit different from the time of you joining or signing in. But again, this is what your back office is going to look like. As you can see, my name right over here, Al, because first of all, I do not join anything that I'm not a part of. All right. So again, this platform is called Freedom Finders, and I highly recommend any one of you watching this video, or I highly recommend you watching this video if you are looking for traffic, if you're looking for traffic that actually converts without the hassle. Now with this traffic, guys, you don't have to bug your friends on Facebook. You don't have to post and you don't have to spam in any Facebook groups to have someone take a look at your offer, guys. This stuff works. All right. So again, there will be a link below this video. Once you click on that link, guys, you'll be taken again to a page that looks like this. All you got to do is click on this page right over and this button right over here, guys, and you want to sign up for this platform. Guys, you're going to have yourself a 7-day free trial. All right, so don't you worry about the cost for now. I want you to jump in and see for yourself that this stuff actually works. Fair enough? Make sense? All right, so again, this is Al, and I will see you on the flip side. Thanks.